Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Mazda 3 model, VIN, and the exact update file. This prevents installing incompatible firmware. Once done, make sure the battery reads at least 4 volts or plug in a maintainer so the update won't abort. Next, download the official update to a 16 GB USB drive formatted FAT32 and place files in the root directory. Do not nest folders. You'll save time and avoid corruption by verifying file integrity before moving to the car. You insert the prepared USB into the passenger port, then turn ignition to ACC so the infotainment has power but the engine remains off. This prevents alternator noise during flashing. Next, navigate, Settings General System Update, and select Start. The system will copy files, verify signatures, then install. Expect 30 to 60 minutes. Make sure you do not remove the USB or cycle power during progress, because interrupting the flash can brick a module. Watch the progress bar for status. You allow the system to reboot fully. Once it returns, go to Settings About to confirm the firmware version matches the update file. This verifies success. Then test core functions: radio, Bluetooth pairing, navigation routing, and steering wheel controls to confirm no regressions. If anything behaves oddly or the update failed, write down the displayed error code, then retry the exact same USB on a fresh format. If it still fails, contact a dealer with the error code and VIN for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.